So now the students, our next chapter is pictorial representation of data. Pictorial representation of data. So here, so how to represent our data using pictures, so that we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so whatever the data is there, so then that data using the pictures, how to represent, so that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay students, so now the students see here, see in the warm-up time, so what he has given. So what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? So what do you see in the picture? So in the picture, what do you see? Here so what given? Some group of butterflies there, some group of butterflies. So butterflies are given. So in this butterflies, colorful butterflies are given. So black color, green color, red color, orange color. So color butterflies we have. So we can arrange these butterflies, number of butterflies in a groups. So blue color butterflies, how many blue color butterflies? Then how many white color butterflies? How many? So yellow color butterflies. So we can make a group. So what he wants to explain here. Here the group of butterflies given. So then how to represent this group of butterflies in our data? So we can represent using means, so according to their colors. According to their colors we can represent data. Okay. So yes students, see here in learning time, so he is explaining about the introduction of a representation of a data, pictorial representation of a data. See in your textbook, so some basics ideas of a pictorial representation are pictograph, often related to type of symbols or pictures, are used to represent specific number of objects. Here, so what is there in the pictorial representation? In the pictorial representation, generally we are using symbols and we are using pictures to represent the data. Number of data, how many number of so and so data is there, then using the symbols and using the pictures, how to represent. So that is there in pictorial representation. And also, for example, a symbol maybe represent 1 or 10 or 100 or 1000 or any other number are related to objects. Some objects are there, suppose 100 objects are there. 100 objects how to represent in a pictorial graph? Using tens, hundreds, ones, we can represent our data using pictures or using symbols. So that we are going to discuss in numerical problems. Okay, and also examples of objects, so whose pictures or symbols are used in different kinds of animals like birds, insects, men, women, boy, girl, fruit like mangoes, grapes, oranges, apples, trees, cars, scooters, bicycles, plants, etc. So these generally we are using the picture to represent pictorial representation. And also only the picture of a common fruits are used, such as banana, apple, guava, orange, grapes, so mangoes. So generally we are using common common fruits we are using to represent pictorial representation. Okay, so in the some months names, sometimes name of the months, years or days, week need to be mentioned. The names of the months, days written vertically in front of each row. So write in roll number of the students according to their date of birth. So all this data is there, so months, dates, then how to represent according to pictorial representation, and what is the date of birth, how many such members are there in particular month, how many students were there. So this also we can represent using pictorial representation. So then some data or yearly production also we can represent using pictorial representation. Okay, pictorial representation. What is a pictorial representation? Pictorial representation is the data which is representing by using a data by pictures or symbols. Pictorial representation means the data, whatever the data is given, so that we represent using pictures and symbols. Okay, so now the students see here. So the first question, in a school the number of students of class wise are given below. Class wise number of students given. Here class and number of students in a class. In first class 70 students there, in second class 70 students, in third class 60 students, in fourth class 50 students, in fifth class 40 students are there. So in each class how many students are there, it is given. So what he is asking, make a pictograph to represent above data. So whatever the data is given, so the data, so for this data, so we should prepare a pictograph. We prepare a pictograph. Okay, so then how to prepare pictograph? So before going to prepare pictograph, you see number of students 70, 70, 10, 50, 40. All these are multiples of 10. All these are multiples of 10. So in the solution, first you take a one picture. So one boy. So one boy represents 10 students. 10. This is the scale you should take. So if you draw one boy, that means it is equal to 7 boys. 7 boys. So now you prepare a pictograph. So like this you prepare pictograph. Here how many classes? Total 5 classes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Total 5. Okay, total 5 classes. Here take class, number of students, number of students. Here first class, second class, third class, fourth class, and fifth class. So this is the classes. In first class 70 students are there. So if you draw one boy, so it means 10 students. Here total 70 boys means in 10 table when you will get 70, 10 sevens, it means 7 boys we should draw. 7 boys we should draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boys. Each boy means 10 students. 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So one boy, according to our scale, if you draw one boy, so that is equal to 10 students. That represents 10 students. This is the scale. Okay, so in first class total 70 students. Now in the second class 70 means again we should draw 7 boys. 7 boys we should draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7, 7, 70, 70. 60 means 6 boys. So in third class 60, class 10. So total 60 boys are there. Means 6 boys we should draw. 1, 2, this is third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 60 boys. Here 60 boys. Now in fourth class 50 means 5 boys we should draw. 5 boys. 1, 2, 3, this is fifth. 5 boys. Total 5 boys means 50 boys. So here in fifth class 40. 40 means 4 boys we should draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 40. 40 according to the scale, so we should take number of boys. Okay, so this is the representation of a pictograph. So in the pictograph, first how many boys, how many students are given. So you should think first, so what is the common factor for this all. So these all are divisible by 10, so that means, so 1 boy is equal to 10 students. According to that, how many boys we should draw, so that you think and draw. Okay, now in the second question, a book seller sold 60 books on Monday, 50 books on Tuesday, 80 books on Wednesday, so 40 books on Thursday, and again 40 books on Friday, 70 books on Saturday. So on total 6 days, so number of books, so how many he sold, that is given. This is 60, 50, 80, 40, 40, 70. So the books, all these books, if you observe all this number of books, all the numbers have 10 as a common factor. 10 as a common factor. So if 10 as a common factor, then how to take our pictograph? The same thing. So draw one book. So one book. One book is equal to 10 books. 10. If you draw one picture of the book, so it represents 10 books. It represents 10 books. Okay. Now pictograph. Now here days, day, here books, books sold. Day means from Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. On Monday how many books? 60 books. 60 books means 6 books we should draw. How many books? 6 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books. Total 6 books. 60 means 6 books we should draw. So next 50 books means 5 books. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books means 50 books. 5 books means 50 books. Next 80 books on Wednesday. 80 books means 8 books we should draw. One book is equal to 10 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books. 8 books means 80 books. 80 books, 8 books. Total how many books? 80 books. 80 means 8 books we should draw. Next, on Thursday 40. 40 means 4 books. On Thursday 4 books. Four books. 4 books means 40 books. On Friday also 40 books. 40 means 4 books. Four books means 40 books. Next, on Saturday 70 books means 7 books we should draw. How many books? 7 books. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 books. 7 books we should draw. Okay, total 7 books here. So according to the scale, if you draw 1 book means it represents 10 books. If on Monday, so 60 means 6 books we should draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. On Tuesday 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. On Wednesday 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 means 8 books. On Thursday 40 means 4 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. On Friday 40 means again 4 books. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. On Saturday 70 means 7 books we should draw. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So this is about number of books, how many they sold. According to that pictograph we should draw. Okay. So now students, see here. So the third question, in the following table there are given the number of women who use cosmetics in a city in different years. Represent the above data in pictograph. So here, so the data is given that in particular year, so number of women use cosmetics. In 2000, so 5,000 women they are using cosmetics. In 2001, 7,000 women they were using cosmetics. In 2002, 9,000 women they were using cosmetics. In 2003, 12,000 women they were using cosmetics. So this data, this information, so we represent using a pictograph. So before going to draw pictograph, so observe the number of women. So they were using cosmetics. 5,000, 7,000, 9,000, 12,000. All are the multiples of 1,000. All are the multiples of 1,000. So it means one woman picture is equal to 1,000 women that we should take as a scale. Okay. So now, so first one woman is equal to 1,000 women. One picture represent 1,000 women. So now here first, next number of women. Total how many years? Total 4 years again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4. So in the year 2000, in the year 2001, in the year 2002, in the year 2003. In the year 2000, so how many women? So 5,000 means, so five pictures we should draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 women pictures we should draw. So here 5,000 is given. So one picture is equal to 1,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Now in the year 2001, 7,000 means 7 pictures. So this is first picture, this is second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, this is the fifth one, this is the sixth one, this is seventh one. Total 7. 7 means 7,000 in the year 2001. In the year 2002, 9,000. 9,000 means 9 pictures we should draw. This is first, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. 9. So 9 pictures we should draw. Now 12,000 means 12,000 pictures we should draw. 12 pictures, not 12,000. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12,000 means 12. So these are the, so according to the pictograph we can represent in the form. Okay. Now in the next pictograph, a fruit seller sold the following number of different fruits as given below. So from the pictograph, so with the help of the given data, so that we should represent using the pictograph. Fruits. So number of fruits sold. So apples 50, bananas 40, guava 60, pineapple 60. So this many fruits he sold. Okay. So then how to represent? Here fruits, number of fruits sold, number of fruits sold. Total 4 different types of fruits. This is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So 4 different types of fruits he sold. First apple, apples, banana, next guava, next pineapple. Here, so if you observe the number of fruits he sold, so 50, 40, 60, 60, all are 10 multiples, all are 10 multiples. So whatever we are going to draw, so that one fruit is equal to 10 fruits. 10, one fruit is equal to 10 fruits. If you draw one fruit, so that is equal to 10 fruits. Here 50 apples means, so we should draw 5 apples. We should draw 5 apples. This is first, second, five apples. 5 apples, each fruit is equal to 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 apples. Next, banana. 40 banana means how many bananas we should draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas. 4 bananas. 1 banana is equal to 10. 1 banana means 10 bananas. 10, 20, 30, 40. Next, guava. So guava, how many? 60 means 6 we should draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means 60 guava. Next, pineapples. How many pineapples? So total pineapples. So how many pineapples? 60 means 6 pineapples we should draw. 6 pineapples. So we should draw 6 pineapples we should draw. Next, 3. Four pineapples. Five pineapples. Next, six pineapples. Six pineapples means total 60 pineapples. Okay, so this is about the pictograph according to the means data. So how many bananas, apples, guava, pineapples are there? First you check. So if all the multiples of 10, so then you take one fruit as 10 fruits. So according to that, how many pictures we should draw? Think it and draw. Okay. So now the students, see here in activity, so read the pictograph given below and answer the questions. Here the pictograph is given. From the pictograph, first we should read the pictograph and answer that, and after that answer the questions. Here some fruits are given. Oranges given, so oranges, and so pomegranate is given, apples, pears, strawberry. So all these fruits are given. See once there. So first one is oranges. How many oranges are there? First you count. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 oranges were there. Then after that, how many apples are there? How many apples? Once you count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 apples are given. Then in the third one, in third row, so pears are given. How many pears were there? So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So then after that, what is given? Strawberries. How many strawberries are there? 1 2. Only 2 strawberries are there. So then after that, pomegranates. How many pomegranates are there? Once you check, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is about the data pictograph. So then what is the question he is asking? What questions he is asking? How many oranges are there? How many oranges are there? Once you count number of oranges there. 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is 5 oranges. 5 oranges. The next. So after that, what he is asking, which kind of a fruit is maximum in number? So maximum in number 12. So what is that? There, pears. 12 in number. The next one is, which kind of a fruit is minimum in number? Only 2 strawberries. That is in minimum number. Only 2 strawberries. That means strawberries. Okay, the next one is, so what is the total number of fruits? Total number of fruits, once you count all the numbers, 5. So then after that, 5 first, 7 12 2 and 6. If you count all the fruits, it will be 32. Total 32 fruits are there. How many? 32 fruits. 32 fruits were there. Okay, so this is according to the given. So pictographs answer the questions like this. Okay. Now the students see here, so in the second question, in the given pictograph, different modes of transportation and number of students a school traveling by, those are shown in a pictograph. See in the pictograph, so mode of transportations are given. So mode of transports, what are the mode of transport? Bus, car. Bus is given, car is given, cycle, on foot. So 4 transportations given. One is bus, first one is bus, second one is car, third one, so third one cycle, bicycle, the fourth one is by foot. So these transportations they are using. So here one shape of a student represents 10 students. If one student is there, that means that is equal to 10. If 2 means 20, 3 means 30, 4 means 40, 5 means 50. See here. So answer the following questions. These questions we should do so on the basis of that pictograph. The first question what he is asking here, what are the different modes of traveling? Different modes of traveling, what they are using? So they are using bus, the second car, the third cycles, and foot, by foot. These are the 4 transportations they are using. Now, which mode carries the maximum number of students? See here, what is the maximum number of students? 7 is the maximum number of students. So that is bus. So bus carries maximum number of students. So they are using bus. Maximum transportation is bus. In the bus, 7 pictures are there, means 70 students. 70 students they are coming by bus. Okay. How many students come on foot? How many students? So see here, count 1, 2, 3. 3 students are there. 3 students they are coming by foot. That means 3 should multiply with 10. Why? Each student, each means each picture, each shape of a student represents 10. 3 shapes means 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30. 30 students. 30 students. Now, how many students are there in the school? So first we should count all the students in the pictograph. First is 7, second is 4. 7 plus 4, 11. So 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 3, 18, 19, 20. 20 means 20 should multiply with 10. 20 into 10. 20 tens are 200 students. How many students? 200 students there in a school. So total 200 students. Now in the last one, so what is the difference between number of students by bus and by car? By bus, how many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students. By car, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students. So by car 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Means 3 should multiply with 10. The difference 30 students. By bus 70 students they are coming. By car 30 students. The difference is 40 students. By car 40 students. By bus 70 students. That is 70 minus 40 is 30 students. The difference of the number of students coming by bus and car is 30 students. Okay. See here in fun time. In fun time, so some pictures are given. So what he is asking, see, pick out odd one, means a different one. So here in each row 5 pictures are given. So in these 5 pictures we should see and say which one is the odd one. So in the first row, see there. So what pictures are given in first row? So that is bed lamp is given, and one cap is given, and sofa is given, computer is given, so other one is mat is given. So here, so in this odd one is a cap. So why this odd one is a cap? Remaining 4 are household things. The cap is not belongs to the household. So the cap is a odd one. So in the next one, sofa, fridge, mat, and again chair is there, and frock is a cloth. So that is not belongs to the household things. So the odd one is frock, that last one. The next one, bed lamp, bed, shoes, clock, and mat. So the shoes, so they are odd one. So okay, so like this we should find odd ones. Okay students, So now the students see here in the third one. So here is a pictograph showing a number of different animals in a zoo. So in a zoo, different animals given. So first see how many giraffe given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 giraffes are there. So then how many zebras? 3 zebras. And how many tigers? So 7 tigers are there. Once you count, 7 tigers were there. So then after that, how many wolf? So total 10 wolves are there. So then how many bear? So 2 bears were there. So these are the 5 different types of animals given. How many? 5 different types of animals are there in a zoo. So then one by one question, how many animals are in the zoo? Total animals he is asking. Total, how many animals are there? So once you count all the animals, first of all, how many giraffes? 5, and 3 zebras. 5 plus 3, 8. And after that 7. So tigers. 7. So tiger were there. So then total 15. After that 10 wolves were there. 25. So then 25 plus 2 bear. So 26, 27. Total 27 animals are there. How many animals? Total 27 animals were there in a zoo. Then second question, how many types of animals are there? Total 5 types of animals. How many? 5 types. 5 types of animals are there. Then next, so what kind of animal is maximum in number? Maximum in number is, so that is wolf. So wolf, so 10, total 10, maximum in number. So then what type of what type of animal are minimum in number? Only 2 bear were there. So that is bear. So these are the answers. Okay. Now the next fifth question here. So what is the difference between the maximum and minimum number? Maximum and minimum number. So maximum number is 10 here, 10 wolves and 2 bears. Maximum number is 10 and minimum number is 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. The maximum number of animals are wolves and minimum number of bear. So then if you find the difference 10 minus 2, that is 8. Maximum minus minimum is 8. The next, how many times wolves more than the bears? So how many times, if you multiply with 2 with 5, 2 5s are 10. So it makes 10. Then it means 5 times. 5 times. So then what part of the wolves means? What part asking? What part means? Fifth part. Fifth part of wolves are bears. Fifth part. Now, so what is the sum of zebras and bears? So zebras, how many zebras we have? How many zebras? Just you count how many zebras. 3 zebras and 2 bears. So 3 plus 2, 5. So total 5. Then what is the sum of wolves and tigers? So how many wolves we have total? So 10 wolves and tigers. So once you count tigers, number of tigers, how many tigers you have? So that is 7 tigers. 10 plus 7, 17. Total 17 in number. Okay. So now the students next lab activity. So this is the general question given. Senior activity. Represent the numerical data using picture symbols. So we should use picture symbols, represents the data. So the number of flowers in a nursery produces. In a nursery, number of flowers produces. Here, in the month of January and February, 350 flowers produces in a nursery. In the month of March and April, 800 flowers they produces. So May and June, so 200 flowers. So July and August, 700 flowers. So September and October, 650 flowers. November and December, 100 flowers they produces. So now you observe the number of flowers: 350, 800, 200, 700, 650 and 100. So all these are multiples of 50. So it means you consider one flower as 50. One flower as 50 flowers. Here month. So write here month. Here number of flowers. Number of flowers. Now month, number of flowers. So now the first one is, so in the month of January and February, in the month of March and April, in the month of May and June, in the month of July and August, in the month of September and October, in the month of November and December. So then how many flowers produces? Here consider, so one flower means is equal to 50 flowers. One flower picture represent 50 flowers. Now in the month of January, so 350 means in 100 we have 2 flowers. 50 plus 50, 100. Just you multiply with, just you see where the 35 will come in 5 table. 5 sevens are 35. So means 7 flowers we should draw. How many flowers? 7 flowers. First, 2, 3 flowers, 4 flowers, 5 flowers, 6 flowers, 7 flowers. 7 flowers we should draw. So how many flowers? 7 flowers means 350. 50 plus 50, 100 plus 50, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. 7 flowers means 350. Here 800 flowers in the month of March and April. So means, so how many flowers we should draw? So in 80, say where the 80 will come in 50 table. So just you check, in 100 we have 16 flowers we should draw. How many flowers? 16 flowers. 1 flower means 50, 2 flowers means 100, 3 flowers means 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800. Total 16 flowers we should draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 flowers means 800. So 200 means only 4 flowers we should draw in the month of May and June. So 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 4 flowers. 4 flower means 200. Here 70 means 700 means 14 flowers we should draw. So 14 flowers. This is first flower is 50, second flower means 100, third flower 150, fourth flower 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700. How many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 flowers means 700. So 650 means 13 flowers. 13 flowers 650. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 flowers. 1, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 650. Once again, once you check, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650. 13 flowers. Now in the month of November and December, only 100 means 2 flowers. So we should draw only 2 flowers. Only 2 flowers. One flower is 100, another flower is 100. 100 plus 100, 200 flowers. Okay. So this is your maths lab activity. Okay, students.